This Excel charts masterclass will take you from a complete rookie in Excel charts to very decent in no time. I'm a CPA, and in this video I will show you the tips and tricks I used in presentations I made to raise more than $30 million in cash and to eventually sell a company for more than $200 million. All of this with good old Excel charts and making sure they looked awesome. This will be a series video and will be broken in very short tips so you can skip ahead using the timestamps. You don't want this chart to include Doris data because Doris, I was about to say a really bad word, but Doris is not nice. Let's say it. She got fired. So you click here, you uncheck Doris, and then apply. Apples and orange are repeated in several rows. This is called unsummarized data. Unfortunately, regular charts prefer the data to be summarized. So if you do a chart, see how like you have apples, 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 apples. So you will want to do a pivot chart. So a pivot chart is a combination of a pivot table. If you don't know pivot tables, by the way, I will add a link right up here to the pivot tables, because you need pivot tables to be good at your work. Anyway, this video is about charts. Let's get back to it. Select your data, click insert, and then here at the top, at the middle of the screen is the pivot chart. You click here, boom, and then click existing worksheet, and then click on wherever. We just want to say, okay, the chart will be here. You click OK. And then to the right here, you have the pivot chart fields. Drag the product in the legend and then the amount in the values. You have a beautiful graph. The apples are all summarized. If you want to right click, you can add data labels. Here you go. And same thing for the oranges. And guess what? The orange is the orange color. Oh my God, Excel thought about this. To the left here, you have apple, oranges, banana. So these are fruits. And to the right, you have asparagus. I don't know how to say that, guys. Sorry for the accent. And broccoli, okay? So there is something similar between all those three stuff at the left and those two at the right. So the first are fruits. And then what you have to do is in G17 is write vegetables, okay? And see how it just grouped my data.